Grade 9. Unit 1. Reading. Page 18. Roald Amundsen's biography. Roald Amundsen was born in Borge, Norway in 1872. In 1911, he became the first person to reach the South Pole. He hoped to follow the footsteps of his hero, the British Arctic explorer, John Franklin. When he turned 21 years of age, he set out to turn his dream into a reality by preparing for a polar expedition. On January 14, 1911, in preparation for his expedition to the South Pole, that took almost a year, he created a camp in the Bay of Whales, Antarctic. It included planning the journey, selecting his team members, organizing supplies, and practicing with sled dogs and Siberian ponies. Amundsen set off on the expedition on the 20th of October, leading a team of 5 people and 52 dogs with 4 sleds. They reached their destination on the 14th of December 1911. In 1926, he reached the North Pole by airplane. This made him the first person to stand at both ends of the globe. Amundsen's exact date of death is unknown because he disappeared in June of 1928 when his plane crashed into the Arctic Ocean while he was trying to rescue a friend.